Government of India GSEC yields fell to 6.38% for the 10-year GSEC. This is a tremendous fall. In fact, it used to ride over 7% till the previous governor kept liquidity tight, didn't cut interest rates, but after the new governor taken over at the RBI with a clear brief, he has brought down interest rates twice. This is taking money away from people like you and me who have saved money and put money in bank deposits. Our FDs are now paying less. Almost 50 pips. Banks have cut FD rates. Well, this is good for the economy. Economy boom hoga, interest rates come honge to. This is a sharp fall in interest rates. And it is expected to fall further. Isliye bond traders are discounting the future. It is expected that bond yields will fall below 6.2% for the 10-year bond and maybe even to 6% in the coming months. Log expect kar rahe hain. Bond market is expecting that the June RBI meeting will cut a further 25 or 50 basis points from the interest rates. Well, what does it mean for investors and savers like you and me? इसका ये मतलब है कि जो हमारे पिछले bond holdings थे, which we had entered above 7%, almost 7.5%, even liquid funds were yielding. Well, our duration schemes are now really rocking. Our mark-to-market gains are very good. और एक दो interest rate cut हुए, and if the yield falls below 6%, then our duration bond schemes, all our debt mutual funds, they will be yielding upwards of 10%, 10, 11, 12% mark to market gains ho jayenge. That time what will smart investors do? They will sell these bonds, they will book that mark to market gain और अपना पैसा bonds में से निकाल लेंगे. But what will the middle class do? Middle class will keep on putting money in bank deposits, in insurance policies at a low interest rates, and they will participate in the lending which RBI does to the government. Just this week, RBI is buying 40,000 crores of government bonds and pumping liquidity into the market. When it pumps liquidity into the market, the net liquid position of the market increases and market yields drop even further. जब RBI 40,000 करोड़ के बॉन्ड्स खरीद रहा है, तब गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया 30,000 करोड़ के फ्यूचर बॉन्ड्स बेच रहा है. So RBI is helping the government of India to sell bonds, to borrow at low interest rates. जब ये सब हो रहा है तो सेवर्स आपके और मेरे जैसे लोगों के इंटरेस्ट का नुकसान हो रहा है. Well, this is the time, जैसे मैंने पिछले वीडियोस में कहा था, जब इंटरेस्ट रेट्स गिरते हैं, please do not put your money in banks and insurance policies. Keep your money with yourself, क्योंकि आगे चल के इतने liquid low interest rate scenario में बाकी assets boom होंगे, real estate boom होगा, stock prices boom होंगे. Keep your money with you or keep it in bank deposits for the short term. When the market booms, please participate in other assets. Don't lend money to the government when it forcibly represses interest rates, gives you less interest at that time. Don't lend to them. Be savvy about your own money.